go. Found it. Let's talk about a DIY today. I want to talk about screen protectors for the back of the camera's LCD. How do you protect them? You go and buy a brand new one from the shops that they're going to charge you $20, $30 for it. Or do you make your own? I think I know what I'll do. I'll make my own. In fact, it's very easy to make your own because if you have a smartphone, then you have at times bought one of these. These are screen protectors for your smartphone. And often enough, some of these come in a 2-pack. Focus. There we go. In a 2-pack. So in that case, if you've upgraded to another phone, never ended up using a second screen, that means you have one of these screen protectors lying around. So all you need to do now is basically cut one of these screen protectors to size to fit your back of the LCD and apply it onto the screen. So let's get to it. First, you need your camera, a cleaning cloth, you need the screen protectors, a cutting mat, scale or a ruler, a Stanley knife. First thing we need to do is measure the length and width of the screen. Once you measure that, find a suitable screen protector that is closest match to your LCD screen from the ones you have spare, and let's get cutting. So measure the length and width. Once you measure it, cut the screen protector to size. Give the LCD a nice generous scrub with your cleaning cloth to make sure you get all kind of handprints, oils, dust, any other particles off it. You want the screen to be as clean as possible before you start applying your screen protector on there. Once you got it nice and clean, take the screen protector and peel off the application side. There's usually a little plastic film that's on top of that. Peel that off. And then apply the screen protector gently and slowly from one side of the screen, pushing it across the screen. Give it a nice soft push so the screen settles. Any kind of air bubbles, make sure you push them out. You can use your hands or you can use the cleaning cloth to gently scrub and remove any bubbles. Make sure the edges are all sealed up. And then most screen protectors will have another film protecting it from the other side. So peel that other second film off the screen protector. Give it a nice clean rub. And you're done. That's all you had to do. Now you have an LCD that's protected from scratches and scrubs. So I hope you found that DIY useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And at this stage, I plan to be uploading 2 videos a week. See you in the next one. Bye.